Good morning everyone. My name is Deepak Sharma and I am an instructor in this orientation program which is being conducted by Vidya Bharati at Bhaurao Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. Today is a very special day because these two amazing people, they are going to have a discussion, debate. Basically, Shukla ji has challenged Arun Deol ji that they should have a discussion and Arun ji has accepted the challenge. And the topic they are going to discuss, Arun ji, what is the topic?
Job is the message.
They are going to discuss what is more important, which one is far better, whether it is job or it is business. Shukla ji, your team is going to support business or job?
Business.
Business. So team Shukla ji is going to support business and team Arun Deol ji is going to support job. I would request Shukla ji to break the ice.
Business is important more than job because it is organization that people work together in the institute.
But Swaji, I think so that job is the most necessary in our life because it is the security of our life. And do you know all the business begins when the job we are doing job, then we earn some money, and then the business after that job.
Business in the business we are free, and in the job we are not free every time.
No. No. This is not right. The job is the last time. We can job. We do it only 8 hours only. Then all the time we can spend with our family. But the business has more time. Business needs more time because without it is not necessary for the time for the business. If business is we are doing, then we can spend more time for the business.
In the business we will close any time and we can go anywhere. So it is the important part of business. And in the job you are not free, you cannot go any time.
Business is not a party everyone. This time many peoples in India not money has spent to business.
Business in the business I can earn a lot of money, but in the job this is not good opportunity. You have a lot of money in the life.
What you can say that business has a lot of money. Some business are the required more money, and we are the belong to the India, which is the country of the farmers. And we should allow less money on the farmer. And business needs the more money. And if we start business for the less money, then we cannot succeed. It is not guarantee that we can success in the business.
No, you cannot say a business is the richest person can do. If we start business, a lot of money. There are many sources in business. Every levels man can do the business. You suppose one poor man can do business. He takes some tools and he sits beside the road and he can polish the shoes. He came at morning and when he goes at evening, he will be some money.
Businessman is not able to find out income in monthly. Businessman is not able to find out income in monthly. Full risk. Sometimes profit, sometimes loss.
Yes.
But
But
profit, loss and profit is our life's gain. Why are you shivering this profit or loss? No, it is not purpose.
Profit time is happy. Profit time will be happy.
There
But loss
are
time is
many sources of our life. We can find everywhere, every man in every situation can do the business and he success our life in every situation.
But my friend tell me, when your business comes towards the loss, how do you manage your expenditure?
He will do second
You will
time.
feel uncomfortable.
You cannot provide it. If business you are in the loss. business also get the profit. Business in many found some people are
That is okay, but
weak,
I want to
poor,
say, when your business goes towards the loss, then there is very difficult to maintain our family expenditure.
No, it is not.
I want to say, sir. I want to say, sir. You saw before 2 days ago. There are a lot of crowd of the children who are here for the examination of the UPP. So all of the pupil like the job in his life. They also thinking about the business that this is the risk. And for your information, I can tell you that Dhirubhai Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani is also doing the job when he was not in the business. He earned the money. Just a minute. He earned the money, and after some time, he do the business. But first, he is also priority for the job. The job is the most secure in the lives of our Indian farmers. I can say Indian pupils.
I don't agree, but in the Corona time
Will you
period,
agree?
in Corona time period, many jobs have destroyed people. People have very suffered many difficulties.
Your
In the
person,
Corona time,
In the corona time, the most of the pupils
But
job was
I'm sorry.
secure. They stay at home, but his salary always reached in their accounts. So job is the most necessary.
In that
for the
time-
business.
in that
And the
time-
business are closed on the corona time also.
That is not.
Do you know?
Medical vegetables.
Only
and all-
two or three business are the. But the most of the people lost their business and they go to their houses.
But they can some earn money that time. The loss of money in the Corona period.
your person live in a peaceful life. Your person live in a peaceful life. But businessman is at a tension, depression. Job person is working in 6 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
But businessman is 10 to 12 hours. But some
They
days
spend
24 hours.
They spend more time.
More time.
In the night too. In the night too.
A business man is the himself a master. But when a man another slave in his job.
No. This is the.
Young person have many difficulties and they think that that job about within 24 hours. 24 hours they thinking.
Many has no capacity in business. Many has capacity in job. So that I like business.
No.
No, my friend,
Job.
tell me if any person want to start a business, so they need to perform the job.
As a business owner,
So please listen. If there are no any performer of job, so how can you start your business?
as a business owner, as a
Therefore, I
servant
can
in
say,
job.
listen to me. I can
Job
say
is secular
job
in life.
Job
But
is
business
a
is not
engine of the
Only
business.
secure.
And business is the
So that-
body of the job.
And for
Engine
information,
is more important.
I
For
tell you
your
that
kind, for your kind information.
for your time information, I tell you that these are the a lot of persons here, and they are in the job also. They are very rich also, some people, but they are not going to the business. They accept the job, and you are also.
A lot of money comes from the a lot of money comes from the business. Very little money comes from the job.
But do
But
you
my
know
friend,
the
money
business
is
is
not
not need for
everything.
more money?
But my friend, money is not everything. We have come here for enjoy. For enjoyment. Enjoy is most important for our life.
Enjoyment.
Enjoyment is more important for our life.
But my friend, you are also say that money is not everything. But money can found everything by money. You cannot find anything without money. Money
No,
is
my
not-
friend, money
Yes,
is
yeah,
everything
my
is not
friend.
bought by money.
Abhi-
Everything is not bought by
Abhi
money.
George, yes,
Sometimes
these
friends
are
and leaders may not be
example.
bought by the money.
Dhirubhai Ambani.
What will say?
Who was Dhirubhai Ambani? Who is Dhirubhai
How
Ambani?
do you say that
Hey,
everything is bought by
why
money?
cannot business is
No, I cannot buy anything from
Who is Dhirubhai Ambani? I am asking to
How much salary?
Dhiru Bhai, earlier time, you have also give the example of Dhiru Bhai Ambani. I ask to you, who is Dhiru Bhai Ambani? Dhiru Bhai Ambani is a businesser or jobber.
First, he was a
Clear. Correct or not? Clear in 2 words.
Please listen to me one
I
minute.
am-
According to WHO data, there are 30% business persons are more depressed
According to data, 100%
average person.
100%. You are coming here by the business, by the tempo. A tempo driver or keep the tempo and he drives. What is this?
This is not business. This is only self-employment. In
Self-employment
which that more than 5% are married.
area.
This is not business. Tempo driving is not business. Tempo driving is self-employment.
No, it is the
How do you
meanness.
understand tempo driving is a business?
Job is meanness of your mentor. Ki I will do only fixed time. There are many more time. You suppose Sahara India, Subrat Rai Swami, he started the business, 2,000 rupees on one Elam Vespa scooter,
But there
and
are
now become
many
his own.
companies.
Or tell me,
These are called
whose
jobs.
jobber, who
And,
does the job, become his
And
become
ran away
his
from
company.
the India outside.
No, outside. You are wrong.
tempo driver is a job, but tempo owner is a business.
Not job, he is the businessman. Not you to suppose ki
we can
business
have
is they with a lot of money.
A man
that
is
we try
independent.
business.
A man is independent in his job, in his business. A man is tied in his job. So that I like business.
But Mr. I can count that a lot of near about the crores of the people of India
Society.
in the society are getting the job.
Business is
They are-
very
they are-
important.
Time
Business
out,
can
time out,
do
time out.
every
Challenge
level
it.
of our
Shalenji, thank you.
Indian
Thank you.
people.
So you can see that these all the people are super excited, and the conversation was really super amazing. I really enjoyed. I hope you all must have enjoyed. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you.